Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchant here with your outlook for November 1st, 2017. First day of the new month is going to be starting off on the cloudy side. We'll have increasing clouds further east, and we have a few showers that are going to be working in with this weak disturbance that's moving ahead of a warm front. That warm front will come through late overnight tonight and clear the area on Thursday morning. But we do have a few showers that will be possible with this, and maybe even some snowflakes for very, very far northwestern parts of our coverage area, maybe probably just outside of it. If this gets in here early enough, a few snow showers may be mixed in with that, but we're talking well northwest and very high elevations of northern Pennsylvania. But our area, for the most part, are just talking about areas mostly northwest of I-95 here today with these showers. Just a few showers, nothing really over the top, and then that pushes off to the north. And then the warm front, which is associated with this area, low pressure, will come through late overnight or Thursday morning. Here's a look at what it looks like here on Thursday morning. Warm front's not going to be pushed north of the area. Could be an early shower, though, for some areas on Thursday morning. You can see that right here. Just a few light showers possible with that on Thursday morning. Let me get over to the high-res future simulated radar from the NAM and take a look at this. This is now 8 a.m. Again, areas further east is going to be maybe mostly cloudy. Maybe see a few peaks of sun very early, but then I think that quickly increases. Those clouds quickly increase today from west to east. You can see here on the simulated radar a few snow showers up here in our far northwestern areas. Again, this is just outside of our coverage area, so we stop here at Center County and Lycoming, and so we have to watch these areas here. Higher elevations in the far northern parts of Pennsylvania may have a few snowflakes mixed in with this little batch of showers. But this is very light stuff. This is finally noon. Again, mainly northwest of I-95, which runs just right like this. So you're going to have a few showers northwest of I-95 possible. This is very light and more of a nuisance here. Not a real big deal. And then we get through the course of the afternoon. It kind of just hangs around mainly northeastern Pennsylvania and parts of east central Pennsylvania with a threat for an isolated shower. But overall, not a big deal here. Okay, so another wave that's going to come through in the evening, and that's in the same areas confined to mainly central Pennsylvania, northeastern Pennsylvania, and then a little bit later in the evening further east, but then that moves out. And then on Thursday, we're allowing for that pop-up shower, but the NAM's not showing anything here, just maybe far interior for that opportunity for a shower with that warm front moving through. And that's pretty much what the global models have here, far interior. So we think that Thursday, for the most part, should just remain a mostly cloudy day. But much warmer. It's going to turn much warmer today. Of course, it's going to be cooler. Tomorrow will probably be about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what it was today. So it's going to be quite warm compared to what it is today on Thursday. And that holds for Friday. Friday, we have a cold front that's going to be pushing through the area later in the day, but out ahead of it, you still have warm winds out of the southwest. So you have the showers are going to move in later in the day, but this is going to be just very isolated to see what happens if this moves eastward. It just kind of falls apart. So if an isolated shower could make it further east, but if you live in an area south and east of I-95, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Probably not going to see anything, but areas in the interior could just see a stray shower moving through with that frontal boundary, which this front doesn't really do much with precipitation, but it does lower temperatures again for over the weekend. So we're going to get this pattern again, like we talked about in yesterday's video. You have 2 days of warm, 2 days of cold, 2 days of warm, 2 days of cold. And that's what's going to be the pattern going forward for the first week of November anyway, until we get to the second week where we have a little bit more of a sustained cooler than average pattern. That's what's still looking to be the case as we're looking at these models today. Here's a look at Saturday. Saturday's going to be another day where we have clouds increase. We have another weak wave that's going to be moving eastward. Clouds will increase, and later in the day, or more likely the evening, you have some showers moving through with that wave moving eastward. This will continue into the overnight, and then that pushes off to the north also. A few leftover showers possible early on Sunday morning, but then partial clearing looks like that's going to happen later in the day. You can see that here. And so the rest of Sunday could be a day where you have clouds and a few showers maybe early on, and then you might have mostly cloudy, partly to mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon. It looks like it's going to be the case here on Sunday. Overall, the weekend's not too bad. I mean, there's a lot of these rain chances here, but these are mostly light nuisance nonsense, and it's not a real big deal. Biggest concentration, of course, is going to be, it looks like probably Saturday night. Into early Sunday, it will be the best time to see, highest percentage to see the showers. And then once we get to Monday, we have a cold front that's going to move through again. A few showers along this frontal boundary, but that'll come later in the day. So most of Monday is dry until we get to the afternoon and evening. And then we get into Tuesday, a little wave down to our south might give an early shower here on Tuesday, but then becoming partly cloudy. And then behind here, this is now getting out to November 8th, behind here is some very chilly air that's going to settle in the region, and that's going to continue for several days. And it looks like much of the second week of November will be cooler than average as a result of this. So this trough settles in, and we also get rid of the precipitation, high pressure builds in, and we go back to dry weather at that point. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 1st, 2017. Have a great Wednesday.